even though I chase that change.
Hey, what's up, boys and girls? It's your favorite host, Jay Everyday, aka Penny Stock Hardaway, aka OJ Short Selling, aka LeBron Gaines, aka SPAC Miller. If you're not investing, hit my links below for a Robinhood or webull account for free stocks, aka free money. Before we start, I need you guys to do me a huge favor. Please smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. I notice 90% of my viewers are not sub, and I need your help. Now on to the show. All I can say is Bitcoin, 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 fellas. First we hit 20K, then we hit 22, then we hit 24,000. The crypto market has been on a major run. You're asking, should we invest in it? Of course, but we never chase. At this point, the only way you should invest in Bitcoin is to dollar cost average. For those of you new to investing, this means don't try to chase an entry. Just invest $100 once a month and continue to do this process. If you don't have $100, invest 50, invest 25, and continue to hold this long term because crypto is volatile. And let's say that one more time again, boys and girls. Crypto is very, very volatile. But if you're scared of crypto, these are a few stocks and altcoins that are likely to follow Bitcoin's run. Number one, RIOT blockchain, ticker symbol RIOT, is focused on supporting the Bitcoin ecosystem through a proof of work mining. RIOT is one of the largest publicly traded Bitcoin miners in North America. This stock is also just getting started as crypto is gaining popularity. PayPal, large investment groups, e-commerce are all adopting Bitcoin. By the way, Coinbase applied for an IPO. Crypto is going to go wild in 2021. But who cares about all that stuff? We only care about the stats. 67% of the month, 300% 6 months out, boys. This is worth at least paying attention to, putting on your watch list, a dollar cost averaging. Number two, Marathon Patent Group, ticker symbol MRA or MARA. This is also a digital assets company that mines cryptocurrencies with a focus on the blockchain ecosystem. Basically, very similar to RIOT, but with amazing short-term stats. And we're going to look at them. 174% on the month, 754% 6 months out, and that's insane gains. That is over seven times your investment, boys. These are plays that you need to be taking a look at. Number three, Litecoin, ticker symbol LTC, is a peer-to-peer cryptocurrency and open source software project released under the MIT X11 license. Litecoin was an early Bitcoin spinoff or an altcoin that started in October 2011. Now, we don't really care about the technical details, but we know that Litecoin is also almost identical to Bitcoin. But enough with all that crap. Only thing we care about is the stats. Let's take a peek. Almost 42% on the month. 169% 6 months out. So these are insane gains, and these are plays that you need to take a peek at. So if you're scared to chase Bitcoin because it's 24K, please hop into Litecoin because it's only about $117 so far. And for my final pick, Ripple, or ticker symbol XRP, is a digital asset built for payments. It's also the native digital asset under the XRP ledgers. It's open source, decentralized blockchain. And it can settle a transaction in 3 to 5 seconds. Perks of this crypto: it's faster, it's less costly, and it's more scalable than any other digital asset available. I'm the most bullish on this one only because it's a penny stock, currently trading at 58 cents, which means it has the most potential to 5 or 6 times our investment because it'll move quickly as people start dumping money into these. So instead of chasing these big boys, why not dollar cost average in something small because the returns could be potentially greater. XRP or Ripple is my current favorite. Take a peek at the stats. You're looking at 75% on the month, over 200% 6 months out. I hope you guys enjoyed some of my crypto courage and things that I like taking a peek at. Don't forget, I need that huge favor. Please slam that sub button. Also, the next episode, we're going to pick a random question in the comments to answer. So please feel free to ask away. I'm here to all see us grow and to obtain wealth. It's your boy Jay Everyday, a.k.a. LeBron Gaines. And I'm out.
Hey, 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 hey. even though I chase that change. Nothing gon' change but today for me. I'm just tryna move a little smarter. Shorty come and give a little brain to me.